In this video, I will be showing you how to write a letter using ChatGPT story letter. If you are new to ChatGPT, you need to go to Google web browser and click Open AI, scroll down and look for Try ChatGPT, which is this one. Now you have two options here. If you don't have an account, you need to tap the sign up here. So when you tap this one, it needs your valid email address, or you can just continue with Google if you want. But it's the same thing. They ask for your email address and your phone number. Now, if you have an existing account, all you have to do is to tap this login, and then they will ask also for your email address, or you can just simply click continue with Google. That would be easier. Okay, so click this one here, tap your email address, and it will take you directly to ChatGPT site. Okay, so just click next and then click next. Now here you can start writing your letter or ask for a letter, and this is what GPT looks like. Now all you have to do here is to type write a sorry letter, and once done, click enter. So this is an example of a sorry letter from ChatGPT. So as you can see, it's very amazing that they will just provide you with what you ask for. Now, the good thing is that if you're not satisfied with this or with the letter, all you have to do is to click this regenerate response here. Okay, so here's another sorry letter from ChatGPT, an example. So let's just say you are not still satisfied with this and you want to ask for this question like, can you make it a little bit formal? So let's see if ChatGPT can make a way for this. So once done, click enter. And as you can see, yes, ChatGPT is making a formal letter for you. As easy as that. Then once done, all you have to do is to copy this one, copy and go to Microsoft Word or Notepad and paste it right there. Or you can go directly to your Gmail account if you want. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.